day, everyone. Today, our lesson is about the initial consonant sounds. We will start with letters B and C. Get ready. Hi. Our next lesson in reading is about the initial sound of B and the initial sound of C. We will start with the initial sound of B. B, 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 B. Again, the sound of B is B, B. Here are some words that start with letter B. First one is B, bat, B, bat. Bat is a small animal like a mouse with wings that flies at night. The word is bat. It starts with letter B, B, bat. The next word is ball, ball, B, B, ball. Any object in the shape of a sphere, especially one used as a toy by children or in various sports such as tennis, football, basketball, or volleyball. Ball, B, ball. The next one is box, B, box, B, box. Box is a square or rectangular container with stiff sides and sometimes a lid. B, box, B, box. And the last word for letter B or initial B sound is bee, B, bee. Bee is flying insect closely related to wasp and ant, known for its role in pollination and, in case of the best-known bee species, the western honeybee, for producing honey. Again, B, bee, B, bee. Now proceed to the next initial consonant sound. The sound of initial consonant C. C as in K, K, C, K, K. The first word is cat, K, cat, K, cat. Cat is a small animal with four legs, and a tail and claws, usually kept as a pet or for catching mice. The word is K, cat, cat. The next word is cap, cap. Cap is a soft flat hat that has a curved part sticking out at the front, often worn as part of a uniform. The word is K, cap, K, cap, cap. Next is car, K, car, car, K, car. Car is a road vehicle with an engine, four wheels, and seats for a small number of people. Car, K, car. The last word for initial C sound, K, is cop, cop, K, cop. Cop is a police officer. Again, cop is a police officer. The word is cap. The word is cop. Again, let us review the sound of B. The sound of B is B. B. And the sound of C is K. K. Thank you. Okay, I hope you have mastered the sounds of B, B, and C. K. Wait for our next lesson and get excited.